Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a special Halloween Witches Brew. I have some of my finest alchemic ingredients here. Ground bone, any animal or human of your choice. Special brew. (200 milliliters). Stir well. Now for some of your more classic ingredients. I have here some of the finest marrow from the ground bone. I have my butterflies, should be dead, but they're trying to fly away. Some pure pixie dust, harvested from the living. Butterfly wings. As many as you like. And your classic Eye of Newt, because no witch's broth is complete without some Eye of Newt in there. One more for good luck. And that is our special witch's broth. Delicious, warming, magical. Enjoy. You'll thank me for it.